Good morning, children. Today we are starting a new lesson. Our lesson number 3 is excretory system. In this, we are going to learn about excretion and excretory system, the process of excretion, the importance of excretory system, and last one is kidney stones. These all things we are going to understand in this lesson. Let us start the lesson. Think. We drink a lot of water throughout the day. Yes, we drink a lot of water throughout the day. There is some water in the food we eat too. I just want to repeat this sentence again so that you can understand clearly. There is some water in the food we eat too. What happens to all this water we take in? Let us find out. Remembering. In remembering, you are going to get this answer. What happens to all this water we take in? We have learned earlier that our body gets energy to work from the food we eat and the liquid we drink. Correct? So we are getting energy from what? The food we eat and the liquid we drink. The blood in our body absorbs the useful parts from the food and liquid that we take in. This is also very important point, children. The blood in our body absorbs the useful parts from the food and liquids that we take in. The unused food and water become waste. Here what he mentioned, the unused food and water become waste. Then what happens next? Let us find out. Leftovers from food in the body form solid waste. Leftovers from the water and other liquids we drink forms liquid waste. Got it, children? Now I believe you understood this. From the food, whatever left over, that becomes a solid waste, and from the liquid and whatever we drink, waste over is a liquid waste. From solid we are getting solid waste, from liquid we are getting liquid waste. Understood? Various processes taking place inside our body also produces waste. Got it, children? Our body is performing in different way. So here in remembering point, we got to know that the leftover water we drink, that is coming for what? Some of the leftover comes under liquid waste, and some of the leftover food we eat, that comes under solid waste. So with this, our lesson introduction part is fully finished, children. Your homework is read this page. I am reading for you. In the same way you should read. We drink a lot of water throughout the day. There is some water in the food we eat too. What happens to all this water we take in? Got it, children? How you should read? Full stop means full stop. You should finish the sentence in a proper way. Then see here, question mark is there. So how we should question? What happens to all this water we take in? In this way you should read, children. Here, children, focus on this question. First question. We drink a lot of water throughout the day. There is some water in the food. Sorry for interruption. There is some water in the food we eat too. What happens to all this water we take in? Answer is what here? Focus on this answer, children. The maximum part of the water we drink get utilized for various functions of our body. So whatever we are drinking water, that water is utilizing for various functions in our body. Excess or unused water comes out of our body in the form of waste, and this form is called as what? Liquid waste. Yes, children, a couple of minutes ago I have explained you what is liquid waste and what is solid waste. So this will be a homework also, children. Write this question and answer, and Last page is your homework as in reading part.